all the way from Adelaide, Australia, where it is already Tuesday morning. Please welcome Dr. Samantha Pillay.
Samantha has devoted her career as a surgeon to treating incontinence, reducing the stigma and educating doctors, health professionals and the community, and was a nominee for the South Australian of the Year in 2022.
Driven to take on challenges, she became the first woman in South Australia to complete the adult urological surgical training program.
The author of the No Recipe Cookbook, she is a surgeon who believes that changing your cooking will change your life.
I had congenital hip dysplasia and it was a misdiagnosis, which meant I failed to walk, multiple operations, and my home was a surgical ward.
I had absolutely no control from birth. I couldn't do anything about it. Now, it's probably been a blessing in disguise sometimes when I look, because it's made me motivated to do what I could about my health and really take care of the things that I actually could change.
I had a lot that I had to sort of overcome being a female surgeon. I've been a surgeon for 5 years when I had my son.
Well, I was the first female to represent South Australia on the board of urology, and I was the first female I ever saw take my son into board meetings, take him into the scientific programs and various committees that I was on. So I ended up having to give my keynote speech behind the podium with, a 2-year-old, arms gripped tightly round my leg and tugging me while I tried not to lose my place. Even still today, I've had a young woman come up to me and say, what an important role modelling that was for them. At the time, I didn't realise the history I was making.
You are just a wealth of information, so I really enjoyed spending time with you. Thank you so much for everything that you do. Thank you for writing the books.
Self-belief and self-efficacy for children is fundamental to achieving goals. And at an early age, you need that self-belief to then overcome any barriers. I don't want every girl to become a surgeon or every kid. I want every kid to believe that they could become a surgeon if they wanted to. Dream bigger, aim higher. Don't be afraid to dream.